to unbox our CSA shares. And let's get started. Let's just do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Drum roll.
Oh, it already looks so good.
It does look so good. So right on the top of the box, there is a fancy flyer. Renee and I are going to be doing eating seasonally in Maine videos every Thursday at 2:30, so be on the lookout for those.
Bolo for videos.
So I'm super excited already because I see
spinach. That's some spinach right there.
Spinach.
Oh my God.
This might be arugula. I think this one's arugula.
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 It's a vegetable.
It's peppery. You've never had.
Oh my God.
Oh,
we've got wait, whose box? Is this my box?
This is your box.
Okay.
Oh no, this is my box.
Okay,
Your
well
box
it's
is
okay.
in the hall.
I cleaned.
That's okay.
I'm Sanny. I'm hand Sanny. So actually, if it's your box, maybe I shouldn't touch your bags.
You can touch. It's okay.
Okay. So we have some fine looking parsley. Look at that. I already know that's gonna be some pretty awesome salad. Parsley salad.
Sounds yummy.
Oh my God, there's a million apples.
Might be a video about that.
There's gonna be a video about that.
Ooh, 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 ooh. This is one of my favorites.
Ooh, red
Cabbage.
cabbage.
Yum.
You can make slaw. You can make soup. Hey, you can cook it with ham.
Right?
Because if you have a lot of ham, like I do, I'm just like, can I cook this with ham? Yeah, I think I can.
I think you can. You just put everything with ham. I'm gonna make stuffed cabbage with mine.
Oh my God! Wait.
I love stuffed cabbage.
The we'll have to remember. There's a funny name for the stuffed cabbage. Remember, I thought your stuffed cabbage had the crazy
galumpies.
Galumpies.
We call them galumpies.
No. Deanna's making galumpies.
I'm gonna make some humongous galumpies.
Some jumbo galumpies.
What else we got in here?
Oh my God, there's a million carrots.
It's carrots and
mushrooms. Mountain Valley mushrooms. Those are grown like right in the Sanford Springvale area.
Yeah, all of this is grown right
it's
here.
like so local. I love it. It's awesome.
Wolf Pine Farms, most of this stuff, I think.
Okay, I'm gonna take you guys in for the deep dive.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh.
Come here. Oh, sorry hand.
I see some sweet
Whoa.
potato. Oh, look.
Hello.
Beet.
Ooh.
I love roasted
That
beets.
is some serious. You can do some stuff with that right there.
Onions, carrots, apples.
A million apples. So there's definitely going to be some like baked apple action happening here.
Another beet.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Beets. You can pickle beets. You can like.
Oh.
Garlic.
I forgot it wasn't up there.
Oh,
garlic.
Yeah.
I'm actually planting garlic for the first time. I've never done it before.
Oh, that's cool.
So you plant it in the fall and harvest it in the midsummer.
There's somebody at the front door to pick up the CSA.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
I transferred it to your phone because
We've got someone here. Yeah. So Deanna has to go.
I want to go.
But guys, like this is happening. So we're gonna see you soon. Oh wait, my camera's down here. Okay.